Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Devika Agustina. In this presentation, I will explain about effect of light steel mixture on concrete strength. This discussion is divided into four main points of discussion. For the first is introduction, and the second is method, and the third is result and discussion, and the last is conclusion. For introduction, concrete has a high compressive strength but has a low tensile strength. For this it is necessary the presence of additional materials aimed at increasing tensile strength. One of the additional materials used is light steel pieces. The aim of this research is to determine the values of compressive strength and split tensile strength of concrete after adding various types of mild steel 0%, 10%, 15%, and 20% with a planned concrete quality of 20 megapascal and a concrete age of 14 and 28 days. The concrete compressive and tensile strength test object is a cylinder with a diameter of 15 cm and a height 30 cm. Next is the method. The method used was an experiment with a research period of 2 months. This research was carried out in 8 stages including 1. Preparation and provision of tools and materials. 2. Inspection of materials. The materials used are cement, fine aggregate, light steel, coarse aggregate, and water. 3. Mixing concrete with light steel as an additive to coarse aggregate with variation of 0%, 10%, 15%, and 20%. 4. Manufacturing and printing of test object. 5. 14 and 28-day treatment. 6. The compressive strength, tensile strength, and specific gravity. 7. Data analysis, and the last is conclusion. The result and discussion here are divided into 2 parts. For the first is compressive strength of concrete, and the second is tensile strength of concrete. This is the result of the normal compressive strength of concrete. At the age of 14 days, the compressive strength obtained was 8.485 Newton millimeter second, and at the age of 28 days old, the compressive strength obtained was 13.859. And next are the results of compressive strength of concrete mixed with 10% mild steel. In this test, the average compressive strength result at 14 days were 11.879, and at 28 days it was 8.202. And this is the result of compressive strength of concrete mixed with 15% mild steel. In this test, the average compressive strength result at 14 days were 12.162, and at 28 days was 11.879. And this is the result compressive strength of concrete mixed with 20% mild steel. In this test, the average compressive strength result at 14 days old were 9.333, and at 28 days it was 7.071. And this is the comparison of concrete compressive strength. In the table, it can be seen that there were increase and decrease. At the age of 14 days, the largest percentage increase was a mixture of 15%, namely 43.333, and at the age of 28 days, the largest percentage decrease was in the 20% mixture, namely 48.98%. And next is the result of tensile strength of the concrete. In this test, what was obtained were the results from samples aged 28 days. For normal concrete splitting tensile strength, the average was 1.759 megapascal. And this is the result of split tensile strength of normal concrete mixed with 10% mild steel. The average was 2.183 megapascal, and for split tensile strength of normal concrete mixed with 14% mild steel, the average was 1.579 megapascal. And for split tensile strength of normal concrete mixed with 20% mild steel, the average was 1.75 megapascal. And this is the comparison of concrete splitting tensile strength. Here it can be seen that the largest increase was in the 10% mixture, namely 24.093%, and the smallest increase was in the 15% mixture, namely 10.227%. And this is the conclusion. The compressive strength of concrete using mild steel additives is experienced increase and decrease. The increase that occurred was not that significant, so the addition of light steel is not very effective in increasing the compressive strength of concrete. So the split tensile strength experience increase and decrease. The largest increase occurs in a 10% mixture of 24.093% of normal concrete. The optimum value of the addition of mild steel, which produces maximum split tensile strength, is 10%, which produces the highest percentage increase. Okay, thank you very much. Sorry if there are any errors. See you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.